Here's a C3 Corvette, just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. This particular one's 1976 Coupe or T-top car. Paint on this has been redone within the past 3 years. It is a more modern waterborne paint, so as you can see, it has a nice shine to it. Do have one little spider web area I did notice kind of down that front face. I don't know if you can pick it up a little bit there. You can kind of see it. Nice driver quality paint job on it. That is more recent, and again has a nice reflection, nice shine to it. In the black there is a little bit of metal flake. I don't know if I'll be able to get that to show up in the video here, but the black's got just a light metal flake in it, kind of break up all that red on it. As you can see, they also highlighted the black down the sides. 76 style wheels. It's powered by a 350 underneath the hood. It is nicely equipped to power steering, power brakes also. That 350 is paired with an automatic transmission, turbo 350 automatic transmission. If you'd like to check out the engine bay pics, the underside of this car, interior, check out the still pictures. There's a link down below in the description of this video. It'll take you right there to uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. We can try to answer any questions you may have on this car. That 350 does have aluminum intake, poly carb, and headers on it. And you can see all that, like I said, in those pictures. Interior has kind of the saddle interior. Looks like the seats have been recovered. Those are in nice shape. Obviously buckets, shifter on the floor, power windows, aftermarket stereo has been added to it. Nice sounding car. I'll get around to the other side. We'll start it up in a second too. Played around with it a little bit ago. I know lots of times you guys will have questions on the headlights. Headlights do go up and down in this one. Now it is kind of the same that we see in so many of these, where the left one goes up a little quicker than the right one, but they both make it up, and then when they go down, it seems like the left one goes down, or driver's side goes down a little quicker, and then the passenger side will follow. Something else I noticed when they did the body work on this one, they made this rear fascia seamless, if you notice. I don't believe it would have came that way on the 76s. It's a nice clean look. Again, check out the still pictures. There's a link down below in the description of this video. Click on it, it'll take you right there, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. T-tops are over here too, so it is the solid fiberglass, not the transparent T-tops. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting this car to where you're located at. Be happy to help you out with the transport. As you can see, that paint's quite nice all the way around it. But again, the paint was put on approximately 3 years ago. It is a more modern water-based paint, so it's in nice shape. Check out the door cards. Like I said, door cards, seats, carpeting. Really pretty clean on the inside of this car. Looks like it has been done recently also. I do have tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here's how it runs. Now, appears fuel gauge works, lights work behind there. Oil pressure does not look like that one may work. Battery obviously, and it looks like the temp is going to start to come up. There's an idea on the gauges. And one of the other things that you always see on these is that kind of glove box deal, or how it's always hanging. Looks pretty nice on this one. Tachometer also working. Go ahead and get out of this a second. Here it run from the rear. I did click the lights on too to make sure I showed you that they go up and down. Nice sounding car. 350 underneath the hood, running pretty smooth, sounding good. car. Yeah, so the pop-up headlights do work. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Alright, here you go. I also have an HEI ignition on there. Super Coil Excel. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, aluminum intake, polycarb. Something else I forgot to mention too, I did try those wipers earlier. Wipers work on both low and high speeds. See how smooth that engine runs. Slipping on here to this side, so check it out from the passenger side. There you go. Latest C3 Vette BN 1976 Stingray. Beautiful red color. Once again, down below in the description, there's a link. Click on it. Take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Phone number is 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist you with transporting to this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.